Another earthquake rattled parts of South Georgia this week. The quake struck around 11 Tuesday morning in the Augusta area. Channel 2's Carol Sport spoke with a Georgia Tech professor to get some insights on quakes and why they happen in our state. Carol.
Well, Dave, we do have faults in our state, and while we don't get a lot of earthquakes here, a professor I spoke with says they're not uncommon.
Most of the earthquakes that we've been seeing in the last few months in Georgia have been occurring essentially around Milledgeville, near Macon, and this most recent one near Augusta.
Georgia Tech geophysics professor Andrew Newman says Tuesday's Augusta area earthquake was a 3.2. An earthquake that strong hits Georgia usually about once a year.
We're not getting much more now than we were 10 years ago for the same, random, window in time.
Damage often happens from a magnitude 5 or higher quake. You may remember this one that hit near Washington, D.C. in 2011. Newman says in Georgia, quakes tend to occur in what's called blind faults.
Well, they're faults that are buried, or faults that are too small, ones that we just don't see. So they're not large, well-established faults like the San Andreas.
Newman says the lower magnitude quakes we experience over time increases chances of a bigger one. But because they're lower magnitude, we're talking centuries before a bigger one could happen. As for when you can feel a quake, if you're awake, lying on your bed,
a magnitude 1 directly beneath you, you'd be able to feel. However, it could be a magnitude 4 and you're driving in the car and you're not going to feel it.
If you're in a quake, Professor Newman says drop down, get under a desk or table, and hold on. And there are no reports of damage from Tuesday's earthquake.